I am Tran Nathon. I am 70 years old. I'm currently living in Ha Trung, Thanh Hoa province. I was injured in the military when vehicle overturned, which broke all my jaw. I lost 5 on the upper jaw and 7 on the lower jaw. After that, I got dentures. The remaining natural teeth fell out, and the dentures became loose, make me difficult to speak and hard to eat. When Mr. Thon came to us, he had lost all his lower teeth. Before, he used removable dentures. However, eating with this denture was inconvenient, so he decided to switch to the fixed dental implant method. For his upper jaw, he already had a porcelain bridge that he had done previously. This bridge is currently still relatively stable, so we did not intervene with the upper jaw for now. I have tried going to various dental clinics in my district to get plastic dentures, but they were difficult to use and hard to eat. I often take them out even when eating porridge, because they were loose and I couldn't eat. When you lose teeth, a part of the jawbone will be resorbed. Some of these areas, the gums will look sunken like this, or with better bone, they may be thick like this. And we always have to take an X-ray. Entire lower jaw has no remaining tooth roots at all. This is lower jawbone. For the upper jaw, on the right side, there are a few remaining teeth on the bridge. These tooth roots are actually a bit weak now. However, as I mentioned, we will continue to use this bridge for a while longer. When the bridge is no longer effective, we may consider replacing it with a new one. You can bite with your front teeth. You don't have to put it all the way in the back. You should chew evenly. Actually, this denture doesn't have many teeth in the back, so the chewing surface is not very large. At home, you should chew slowly and gently. When I install the completely new definitive denture, you will chew much better than this one. When you bit with this denture, did you feel relatively stable? Great. Much better. Much more than this old denture. My voice is clear, and the conversation is coherent. It's not messy like before. Many people asked, "Oh, did you get new teeth? They look great." I said, "Yes, I just had it done. Now, it's really beautiful and chewing teeth." Generally, I'm elderly now. I don't often need hard things. Even when cooking meals at home, my wife and I only cook soft food, even vegetables. I must say that firstly, the doctors and staff are gentle. Secondly, it's clean and professional. Everything is done properly. There's no sloppiness like in other places, even at the maxillofacial hospital. They also did it, but they couldn't ensure the quality. They couldn't guarantee it would be like this. I'm telling you the clear truth.
10/10.